Hi guys, Terry Runyan here, visual artist and creative encourager. So I'm gonna make some Christmas sweaters, but this could be any content, any subject matter you want. I am going to demonstrate creating Christmas sweaters, unless it changes, and I'm gonna use my little palette here. Right now I've got out the two colors I think I want to use, red and grayish blue color. And that's called Payne's Gray, and I use Scarlet Lake. Those are both Winsor Newton watercolors. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, I've got my sweater shapes done, and I'm going to give it a little dry with my hair dryer. Okay, I've got that all dried. I have plans today to go out and get a mocha and to enjoy the weather, so I thought I would do this little painting really quick for my daily creating that I'm doing daily. I got the sweater shapes in. I really wanted to put some characters in here, but it may end up that the characters will end up on the sweaters and that's it. So let's go ahead and start that process now. My favorite pens are Staedtler permanent Lumicolor pens. I use the black, mostly the size S, and I also love the One for All Molotow white pens. So I will link to both of those below, along with the paper I use, which is Stonehenge, and let's start playing. Okay, all done. Wow, I find that I like to make the shapes and then I get really excited when it's time to add the details. So it's fun to do both, but I think adding the personality to things kind of gives me a little spark when I do it. So that's just something to notice. And other times I just love making shapes. So there you go. It's always changing up. I'd love for you to hit the like button if you've enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. I look forward to seeing you soon and have a happy holiday.